Guys, you know how most phone cases just exist? They protect your phone, they look all right, and that is about it. But once in a while, you come across one that actually makes you stop and go, okay, this is kind of cool. And this is it right here. These are the TONGATE 360 spin cases for the iPhone 17 Pro. And it might be just one of the most satisfying cases I've used in a long time. So to learn more about the TONGATE 360 spin case and what it can actually do, stick around. I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Now guys, over the years I've tested a lot of phone cases. Some focus on looks, some on protection, and some trying to be clever with stands that barely hold their weight. But this one is a bit of an all-rounder. MagSafe, grip, a fully rotating 360 kickstand right built into the back. Now guys, before we get into it, TONGATE did send this over to me and asked me to take a look and give it my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whether it's good, bad or indifferent, you're always going to get my genuine thoughts. So let's get these out of the boxes, there's two of them, and see what we have. So guys, in the box, you get the case itself, which already feels solid, and you get a tempered glass screen protector, which is included, which is actually a really nice bonus. Taking a quick look round, and you can see what really stands out straight away is just how solid it feels in the hand. It's got that rugged build with a hard PC back, but then the sides are really grippy, like textured TPU, so it feels really secure without being bulky or awkward to hold. Honestly, in the hand, it feels pretty nice. Now, the buttons are well laid out really nicely, and they are super easy to access. They've got all that nice clicky tactile feel when you press them, which is exactly what you want from a good quality case. The only thing that I will say was I wish the camera button was a little less sensitive, as I did find myself activating the camera by mistake a lot of the time. But you know what? It's just something I got used to, and now it's all good. Also guys, the MagSafe strength on the back is spot on too. It's not ridiculously aggressive, but it's definitely strong enough where you don't have to worry about your charger, wallet or car mount coming loose. It just grips and it stays put. When it comes to protection, you're really well covered there. The camera section is pretty recessed as well, so that's quite nice. You don't need to worry about scratching those very expensive lenses when it's sitting on a desk. And the four corners are fitted with shock absorbing airbags that are rated for up to 18-foot drops. And there's also a bit of a screen lip, plus you get that tempered glass screen protector included in the box, which, like I said, is a great little extra. Now guys, the camera control button, well, it's fully covered, and that's really nice, and it's smooth and responsive. I mean, I'm going to say I had a couple of occasions, like I said, where the camera opened when sliding the phone in and out of my pocket, but you know what? It's not a deal breaker at all. And some people even might prefer that quick access, but personally, I just like a tiny bit more resistance. Now guys, the party piece in this case is the 360 rotating stand, and it's made from pretty premium aluminium alloy and just feels well built. You can spin it around, switch between portrait and landscape, change the angle depending on what you're doing, and it just stays exactly where you put it. For watching videos, video calling, or just using your phone hands free on a desk, it's honestly brilliant, and admittedly, it's a little bit addictive to play with. So guys, there you have it, the TONGATE 360 spin magnetic case. strikes a really nice balance between everyday protection, premium design and smart practical functionality. If you're after a case that looks good, feels solid in the hand and actually adds something useful to your phone, then this is definitely worth considering. I'll leave any product links and any discount codes in the description. And guys, if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to TONGATE for sending me these very cool cases to review. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens. I'll see you the next time. Bye for now.